Hello, students. This is just a revision session. So, in this particular class, I will be talking about the infix expression. Two things about the infix expression. One is the evaluation of the infix expression, and the other one is the conversion of a given infix expression to a postfix expression. Okay, so I'll shorten the video so that there's not much time left, so you can study within that less time. See, usually they will ask you for the code also, the function to convert the infix expression or to evaluate the infix expression. So you have the lab program, right? So in the lab program, you might have written the function for it, right? So that you can write. Okay. And how to do the manual calculation, I'll show it over here. See, we have this problem in our model question paper. So I've taken that as a reference and I'll solve this. So they'll give you values like this, A, B, C minus D star like this, and they'll give the values for it. You have to first substitute the values. So I have substituted over here. See, a is 6, so 6, 3, 2, and so on. So you have to draw this table, okay? Step, symbol, operand 1, operand 2, and stack. So initially, I is equal to 0, right? I is equal to 0 here. Then you have to take the first symbol. First symbol is 6. Okay. So it says this you have to remember. See, scan the given expression from left to right. If the symbol is an operand, push it onto the stack. So if the value is a operand, so in this case it is an operand, so push it onto the stack. So I pushed it onto the stack here. Operand 1, operand 2, nothing has happened, so I'm leaving it empty. Likewise, I equal to 1. I equal to 1. The value is 3. So again, it is an operand. So I have pushed it onto the stack. Similarly, 2. 2 is an operand. So I have pushed it onto the stack. Next comes the operator. We have here minus. So I have put minus. Now it says here, see, if the symbol is an operator, then pop out two elements from the stack. Okay. So if the symbol is an operator, pop out the two elements from the stack. So here the two elements are, see, stack follows what principle? Last in, first out, right? So 2 will come out first, followed by 3. Then you have to carry out this operation. See, it is 2 minus 3. So it says here, see, like this. Based on the operator, you have to do operand 1, whatever operation, operand 2. So it is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. So it is 6 comma minus 1. Okay. Likewise, I is equal to 4. Next step, that is next value you have is 5. So 5 is again operand. So I pushed it onto the stack. Then star, next symbol is star. Star is an operator. So you have to pop out the two elements from the stack. So I popped out 5 and minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 6 will be as it is. Next you have plus. So plus, so I popped out the two elements. So it is minus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 1. So I've written 1 here. Then I is equal to 7. You have 1. So I have written those values. But when it comes to dollar, if you get the dollar as a symbol, so remember dollar by itself is not an arithmetic operator. So if you get dollar, you can assume it to be power operation. Okay, so dollar. So it is 1 times 1, which is equal to 1 itself. So I've written 1 here. Then I is equal to 9. Value is 7. It's an operand. So push it onto the stack. Then you have plus. Okay, so do 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. I'll do one more here. See, I'll give the value of A as 2, B as 3, C as 4, and D is equal to 5. So first you convert. So this is 2, 3, star, 4 plus 5. Now write down the table. Okay, so step, symbol, symbol, operand 1, operand 2, and stack. Operand 1, operand 2, and stack. So initially I is equal to 0. So the first symbol that you have is 2. 2 is an operand, so you will push it onto the stack directly. Okay, next is I equal to 1. Value that you have is 3. 3 is again an operand, so push it onto the stack. I is equal to 2. Star is symbol that you have, and it is an operator. So when you have like this, pop out the topmost elements. Okay, so first element that will be popped out is 3 followed by 2. So you have to do that operation. So it will be 3 times 2. So this will become 6. Okay, so I is equal to 3. I is equal to 3. Symbol that you have is 4. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? Push it onto the stack. Next, I is equal to 5. You have the symbol plus. Okay, so since it says plus, so 6 and 4, it is going to be 10. Okay, so it is going to be 10. Now I'll add here, because see, if I don't do like this, it will cause confusion. So yeah, here also I'll add that star. So next is I is equal to 6, and you have the symbol 5. So push it onto the stack. It's an operand, right? That's why. Next, last one that you have is I is equal to 7. The value that you have is star. So pop out the element. So here it should be 5, then 10. So it will be 50. Why is it not 10 coming first and then 5? Because based on the principle of last in, first out, last element that popped out should come first. So that is why I have done like this, and the result you'll be getting is 50. So I hope you have understood. So you can apply it to any of the given infix expression. So you can look at this and you can learn.